Alright guys, so in the last video we left here where we have added this UI for priority picker, but as you can see now when I click on the plus icon, default high is selected, which means we are passing 1 here. So let me just check this. When you go to navigate detail, here we are passing default value here, so this is fine. Now where is our floating action pattern? Here we are passing 1, right? So let me just change it to 0 so that default it will be selected to low. So 0 0. All right, now if I go back here and if I try to press, it will be default, it will be selected to low. All right, so that is what we want. Now if let's go back to our detail page, notice detail, and here when we tap on this, we also want to update. Not here actually, if you go to our priority picker, when we click on this, we also want to call the callback function. So what will happen here is that the moment we click on any of this, say low, high or very high, we are calling this on tap function. So it will come inside node detail page and it will call this function. All right, it will invoke this function, and here we are updating this priority level. So priority level to this index, and here down we can save it in database. Okay, so yeah, so initially we are saving this way. Now we can update this to color level. So this we haven't done yet, we'll do it later. So this we will change it priority level and this color level and then priority level as well. All right, so color level, I think it will be 0 default, so we don't have to bother, we'll do it in next time. So for priority, as you can see, initially it is 0, but when we update, it will update here, right? So now let's just go select very high and then give some high. Okay, high or important, you can give something like that, or just high. Okay, then I'll write here very imp. All right, let me just save it. As you can see, high very important, but I think there's some color mismatch here. So if you go to note list page, if you come down here where we are displaying all this list here, as you can see here, so let's just start with the 0, then 1, and then I think you can also add 0 1, and yeah, that is fine. Here also I will add 0 then 1. All right, let me just try to save this. And yeah, so it is if it is very important means it should be, yeah. So this thing is reverse, so we can add like 2 and then 1. Actually same thing goes for 2 1 and then save it. All right, so as you can see now it is updated. If it is very high important, we are giving it a red color with a 3 exclamation mark. So same thing, if it is low, then I'll give not important and then low or something like that. And if I save this, as you can see, not important, low, and we are getting yellowish color. So this is what we want, and actually we can change this color to a green. If you remember, here we have a green accent, and yeah, so this is not important, this is very important. All right guys, so this is done for the now priority picker, and in the next video we will discuss about how we can design the same for color picker as well. And make sure in the node detail page, if you didn't understand what is this, let me just add this constant. If you didn't understand what is the priority picker about, so here what we are doing is we are just adding the widget called priority picker, and we are passing default which one need to be selected here. And once it is selected, we are expecting some callback here. That is what we are doing here. So the moment you choose any, when we use our on tap function, yeah, when we click on any of this color, it will call this on tap function and pass this index saying this color has been selected. So here we are just taking the this index and updating the priority level, and the moment we saved, we can update in the database as well. All right guys, so I think that is all, and in the next video we will discuss about color picker as well. Thank you guys, see you in the next one.